E, E, uppercase E, lowercase e. E is a vowel. It has two sounds. The short E sound is eh, 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 and the long E sound is E, E, E. Elbow, elbow, elbow. Eggs, eggs, eggs. Ear, ear, ear. Envelope, envelope, envelope. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Engine, engine, engine. Earth, earth, earth. Elf, elf, elf. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Eat, eat, eat. Eagle, eagle, eagle. Eight, eight, eight. Eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. 11, 11, 11. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Exercise, exercise, exercise. Now to write the uppercase E or the big E, we have 3 lines. Top, middle, bottom. We will start at the top and write a straight line all the way down to the bottom. And then go to the top and write a straight line out to the side. And then go to the middle and write a straight line out to the side. And then go to the bottom and write a straight line out to the side. Write it one more time. And this is the uppercase E. Now to write the lowercase e, we have also 3 lines, top, middle, bottom. And to write the lowercase e, we will start near the middle and write a straight line. And then we will write a curved line all the way around. Write it one more time. And this is the lowercase e. Now circle the pictures that begin with the letter E. Envelope. 8. Donut. 11. Doll. 'Earth. Exercise. Eraser. Duck. Eagle. Dragon. Elf. match, engine. Ear, elbow, egg, eyes, elephant, eggplant, eat,